Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can make a geometry dash level with friend or another person. Basically, there's no direct way on how you can do this seamlessly, but I have an alternative method. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the level editor builder, click on create, and of course you then want to locate the level that you want to share. Now, in order to do this, you want to make sure that you already finish your level. To do that, just click on view, click play, and then you want to specifically finish it on the section of the place button, because if not, if you go ahead and try to finish it on the level editor mode, it will not be verified. After being verified, you then want to click on the share button. So I'll just select one of my levels right here that's already verified. And then you want to request a star, or you could just choose any one of this. It doesn't really matter. Just click on the share level. Now, as of the moment, it is already shared. So what you want to do is to get your friend, get the IV right here. You want to share this with your friend. And basically from there, they will be able to edit out this specific level. And then you want to do the same thing where your friend edits the level, they upload it, they share you the IV, and from there you want to download it and edit it from there. Now, once again, there is no direct way in order to do this seamlessly, but as of the moment, this is the only way to do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.